This is just a quick video to show you how to install the optional vent screen. If you received a vent screen with your box, congratulations, we don't normally sell them with the box. And what we found is that when we receive them, the holes are slightly too small for the screws. Okay, they fit and they are aligned with the holes on the box, but the screws won't fit. So the easiest way to get them installed is to simply put them down on a flat surface, hold the screw, and then start turning it with a screwdriver, and you'll find that you can easily thread this screw through the hole. And then once you've got that done, just screw it all the way in. Now sometimes the hole may be dirty, maybe there's some filament stuck inside the hole. Use the tip of a Phillips head screwdriver and just ream it to clean it. Not hard, just a little bit, just to clean it. Don't try to pry the hole open. So again, and then I can start it with my hand just like this, and then we'll just keep screwing it in. And once you're done, put your mesh and between the box, and put the cover on the outside, right? Put your mesh between the box and the cover, put it in and screw your nuts and finish the job. This cover has a shiny side and it has a rough side, so we suggest that you keep the shiny side on the outside. Okay, I hope that helps.